Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit subscribe and then hit the bell too to get notified when we put out a new video. Hey guys, how's it going? I've got a special guest today. I've got my good friend Kate with me.
Hi, I'm Kate.
So Kate is also married to Kaiten, but we were friends first.
We were friends first.
We were friends first. So Kate and I are gonna do something fun today. These skulls, you guys might have seen these. We made these skulls, we had a good time. Kate actually came in. We used this fun mold that we had already made. We poured some skulls. It's really, really cool. And you had a lot of friends like them, right? You post on social media about it?
I did. Yeah, people were freaking out about the skulls.
Which is really fun.
Yeah.
So when I poured these with you the first time, we had a lot of fun. It was really, really good. It went perfectly. And we used this. This is Plat 10 with a little bit of dye in it. But I gotta shoot you straight, Kate. If you wanna replicate some of these skulls for your friend or for Will, it's gonna be a little bit more expensive probably than I think you want to. Probably wanna do onesie-twosies.
Onesie-twosie.
You don't need to pump out 12 at a time.
Not usually.
Okay, so for that instance, we're gonna throw that away. Nobody needs that. We're gonna use mold putty. You can actually get this at your local craft store and even some hardware stores have it too. Mold putty's great. This is what it is, Kate. It's just this.
It's beautiful.
Looks like Play-Doh.
I love it.
Did you play with Play-Doh growing up?
I did. I still play with Play-Doh.
All the time.
Yeah.
I do, I just don't tell anybody because I feel like it's a weird move for an adult. Yep. Confirmed, YouTube. Confirmed.
I have kids, so.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do. You're not ready for how easy this is.
Do I open this?
You open that.
Okay.
Right.
Should do I need to be protected?
You're all right for now.
Okay.
It's all good. All right, so here's what I want you to do. You can weigh this out if you want to.
Like on a scale?
On a scale.
Okay.
Or go with
Just
me on this. We're just gonna eyeball it.
Okay,
We'll take our time. We'll do one at a time and kind of get a feel for how much you have, and we'll put some more in the other hand, and we'll kind of compare them, and then we'll push them together. Okay, so here's what you're gonna do. When you start mixing together, mix with your hands. You're gonna go, 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 go. You're gonna have this part ready where you want it to be. So we're gonna put that right there. How about this? I'm gonna pull it back a little bit so it's within our camera frame. Here it is. So we're gonna put that there, and all you're going to do when you've got those two mixed, you're gonna ball it up, and then you're gonna just kind of press it down on top of the skull. And you're gonna slowly kind of work it down. It'll still be that Play-Doh consistency, and you're just gonna let it be kind of a little bit of a ball over top. You'll squeeze the sides of it, making sure you're pressing everything against the part. So then that's pretty much it. There's only one step we do.
Okay.
Which is, I'm gonna get this board. All we're gonna do is put this flat board on the top, give it just a tiny press so that there's a flat base. Because when we actually go to cast this, it's gonna be up, we're gonna have to turn it upside down. And this is a round top. So if we didn't put a flat base on it, you'd be trying to fill like a spilling over bowl. It would be a nightmare.
Sounds terrible.
So now we have to wait about 15 minutes, and then we can demold this.
Sweet.
Just silently sit there.
For 15 minutes.
It's okay.
That was.
No talking.
Okay.
All right, so we've got this. And we only had to wait 15 minutes for this, and it's nice and cured. This is ready to pour.
Let's pour it.
Let's pour it. Who are we pouring this for? Is it for Will? Is it for your son?
It's for my friend.
It's for your friend.
It's for my friend Erin. She's having a baby soon, like today or tomorrow.
Oh, really?
Or, yes, soon.
Sometime soon. Erin, guys, congratulations. Okay, so let's pour this for her. Let's use the Alumilite white, which which we used the first time. That's so much fun. It cures quickly, and we gotta do some fun. We gotta choose a color. So I'm gonna let you, because we've already done this a couple times.
I already know what I want.
You are. She already knows what she wants. All right, so we're gonna use Alumilite white to pour with this. We're gonna use these simple baby 1 ounce cups. We're just gonna do equal parts in there. And then we're gonna use a color you've chosen.
Pink.
Pink. The fluorescent pink that we have, which is great. Mix that with white, it'll be a little bit blush, no problem.
Okay.
Perfect. All right, so I'm gonna move this over here, this mold we've got. And then you're gonna pour this. We don't need a ton of this. Honestly, we probably just need 1 ounce combined, but it's okay to have a little bit left over in the cup. That's not gonna be the end of the world here. So, what I want you to do is fill this up just to about, if you get low, you can kind of see it. You see that 15? So fill it just underneath there. There's another line that says 12.5.
Yep.
That's what I want you to do. That'll be about enough material. And then when we mix these together, you can actually use 1 cup to do all the mixing because it's not going to be over 30, which is the very top of the cup.
It's hot. It's getting
It's
warm.
hot. All right, then it's time to pour it.
Okay.
So go ahead and take this stick from you. Don't need to hold on to that. We got our mold here. We put the flat bottom on there so it's going to be easy to pour. You can just go right in. There it is. Oh, it's not quite to the top. We need a little bit more. That's all right. We can pour another one really quickly because this is actually going to close up within like maybe 60 seconds. This chemical reaction will happen, and 15 minutes later we can demold this, and we'll just pour another one. It'll be really simple.
All right.
All right?
Yeah.
All right, now let's wait again.
Okay.
Hey friends, you might be curious why we showed the mistake being made in this video. Well, the reason is mistakes are a part of the process. Doesn't matter if you're just starting off or you've been doing this a long time. The reality is we all sometimes trip up, and that's okay. That's the reason why we're keeping it in the video, and that's the reason why we're sharing it with you, because we want to show you that even us, even Jordan, even my wife, who was a first-time mold maker with the mold putty, making a skull, everybody makes mistakes. So don't be discouraged, keep going, keep trying. If you got any questions, reach out. Now back to the video where they actually finish and make this guy.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah,
Keep
you can do a
going?
little bit more. Yeah, you can always cut off the flashing. That's it. Perfect. No, this is great though. This is gonna firm up. The one that we did before kind of lost the jaw, and that's my fault. I could have measured this. It's about 30 grams. I think it's an ounce per 30 grams of the Alumilite white. So what we could have done is taken one of the skulls we already had, weighed it, and figured out how much we needed.
But we chose to
We chose
take
to
the
skip
shortcut.
it. Did we pay the price?
We did.
We did. We paid it. That's okay though. These things are so easy to make and enjoyable and fun.
Just for fun.
Another 15 minutes, guys. Here we go.
And we're back.
She did it. You did it.
We're gonna demold this skull now.
I love that you're hosting now. This is phenomenal. Just the handoff, folks. I'm gonna go hang out.
All right, so what you're gonna do is just pull back a little bit here on the mold.
Yep, keep going. No, you're crushing this. I'm not involved.
Maybe dig in a little.
Yep. You know, it's not that. So, when I told you to make the top pretty thick, it was so that when we push against the top of the skull, we have plenty of silicone. So if you want to, you can turn this over and push off the top of the head to make it easier on yourself.
Too late.
Okay. Hey, that looks great.
Wow.
So there's a little bit of flashing that we'll clean up with a knife, no problem. We'll just make sure everything's nice and smooth. But there it is. So a little bit different of a color mixture than before because this is both 2 drops, just 2 different amounts of white added to it. But there you go. This one we didn't quite, I kind of messed her up there. So I'm just gonna pocket that one. That one's gone forever. And this is our finished product. Do you think she'll like it?
Oh, she's gonna love it.
Good. Fun. Guys, if you want to check out Mold Putty, go to alumilite.com. You can find it there, or go to your local hobby or craft store. They've got it. You can take anything you want, a kid's toy, something like that, whip it up, put it over top, and have a completely different thing in about 15 minutes. It's pretty easy. Kate, thank you for hanging out.
Thanks for hanging out with me,
We're
Jord.
going to do this more. I like Kate. She's fun to have around.
Go make stuff.
Do it. See you guys.
Bye.